Action SA leader Herman Mashaba blamed the ANC for what happened to DJ Waras. My name is Alokwan and these are the news that matter the most. Now, according to Herman Mashaba, what happened to DJ Waras was not an isolated incident, but rather a consequence of what he described as years of ANC's mismanagement and also the collapse of law enforcement. And he also went to further state that it's a failure to control criminal syndicates operating in the Johannesburg's inner city. Now, Herman Mashaba also argued that under ANC rule, especially at municipal and national levels, crime has flourished, particularly in the areas like Johannesburg CBD, where hijacked buildings and illegal occupations and organized crime are common. He further stated that DJ Waras was yet another victim of a system that has failed to protect ordinary citizens and public figures. Herman Mashaba linked the incident directly to the state of Johannesburg's inner city, saying that criminal groups operate with little fear of being arrested. And he also said that dangerous environments have been allowed to fully develop and law-abiding citizens who engage in property or community matters are put at risk. Now, according to Herman Mashaba, what happened to DJ Waras, it highlights how even attempting to engage with inner city issues has become life-threatening under the current conditions. Now, Herman Mashaba used the strategy to reinforce Action SA's long-standing position that the ANC has failed to govern effectively, and also weak leadership has allowed crime to spiral, and South Africans are paying the price with their lives. He said that until leadership changes and crime is tackled decisively, more innocent people will continue to be unalived. Now, despite his strong political message, Herman Mashaba also expressed condolences to Waras' family and loved ones, acknowledged the pain felt by fans and colleagues, and he said the country should not accept such things to be normal. Now, public reaction has mixed emotions. Some agree with Mashaba criticism, while others say that the matter should be left to the police to investigate rather than to be a political debate. Now, these are some of the things that Herman Mashaba expressed via Twitter. He said that those people who pulled the trigger and unalived DJ Waras and their faceless masters, we are eventually going to find you. He also said that he's blaming the ANC governance for allowing the city of Joburg to be taken over by criminal syndicates over the years, while the city has the highest housing backlog in the country. He went on to further state that all these so-called lawyers and NGOs and political parties that will be fighting any South Africans who are prepared to fight illegal immigrations, he said that we have to face each other to correct this. And Herman Mashaba went as far as saying that Helen Zille plotted his removal as the mayor while running a very stable coalition government at the time. Now, is this turning into a campaigning strategy, or what Herman Mashaba is expressing is correct? What are your thoughts?